Hi everyone, welcome back to Teaching Bee, where we do fun activities at home with our toddlers. If you're looking for a Halloween activity that you want to do at home with your toddlers, I have one in store for you. We are going to be creating monster bags. And what the object of this is, not only are they going to be using their fine motor skills to help decorate the monster, but they're going to be working with their colors. So whatever color that you want to do as the main base, use pom-poms or whatever you have in your household. And what I'm going to have my toddler do is have to match the blue with the blue and then insert here, and you can do other colors as well. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you can do it prior to your toddler, is you're going to actually create a base from the brown paper bag that you have with whatever color construction paper that you want to use, and then you're going to cut so that they match each other. From there, you're going to create a hole, or where the monster's mouth is going to be placed, to where you're going to be throwing in your certain colored objects, and then you're going to kind of match the hole in the background on the brown paper bag. It's always good to make that hole even a little bit bigger. It's going to be hidden, and then that way you can perfectly match the two. And from there, you'll go ahead and cut each out and glue your construction paper onto your paper bag. From there, you'll basically repeat the process until you have all your colors that you want to be done. And then lastly, just whatever decorative items that you want to do. You can do markers, you can do crayons, you can do construction paper and cut them into shapes and talk about shapes and colors. You can do googly eyes to add on to your monster faces. And you can even use pipe cleaners as a fun extra piece to decorate with your toddlers. Lastly, you'll be working with the colors, and they'll have to color coordinate and choose which monster mouth goes with what for which color pom-poms or whatever household item that you have to match each monster. And there you have it, a fun activity you can do at home with your toddlers for Halloween.
Okay, what we're going to make?
So we're going to make monsters. See? For Halloween? Watch this. We're going to make some monsters like this. And then we get to put in, what color is this? Blue?
Yep.
We'll put it in the blue monster like that. Is that cool? And these are, which one do you want? You want to decorate the orange one or the yellow one? Yellow? Okay, and I'll do orange. So we're not going to touch these right now, but we have all of these that we can decorate your bag with. And then we have glue. And of course, we have to put on the monster's eyes. Where should we put our monster's eyes? I think I'm going to go like that, make him look like he's having fun.
Your eyes like to go like that.
Oh.
Just like my eyes.
Got it. Okay. Thank you. Here, I'm going to glue my eyes on. Here, you want to glue your eyes on?
Mama.
Huh.
See?
Yeah.
Mine is a triangle nose.
Okay, so we're going to make...
He's got to be a triangle nose.
A triangle nose too? Okay. Here, you can glue yours in first. I'm gonna open him up. And there he is. And you got color match. Oh, so orange goes in which bag? Where does the blue one go? Good job. And then what about some yellows? Where does the yellow one go? Good job. We got our 3 monsters, and then you can keep going. You want to finish the rest of the pom-poms? And there you have it, a fun activity you can do at home with your toddlers. and learning all kinds of stuff as far as fine motor skills, color, shapes, and again, just having a great time doing an activity for Halloween. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up if you haven't done so already. And as always, have a great day. See you in the next video.